Hello everybody, welcome to Live Well. Just want to have a quick word. So to me, gardening is a necessity of life. It's not a competition, and I wouldn't even quite say it's a talent. And everybody is supposed to know how to grow something because we eat food. We are the only animals, I believe, that's not born and know how to grow our own food or know necessarily what exactly we need to eat from the beginning. So for me, this is one of the reasons why I got into gardening. Also, where I'm from, most of my people are farmers. All my uncles was farmer, my granddad was a farmer, my grandma was a farmer. You understand what I mean? But that's like in my blood. I believe in that way. There, maybe that's why I can just watch and just do it. I'm not saying everybody can do that, but I do believe that everybody should at least learn to grow something. Because if you don't grow, you can't eat. Yeah, that's my opinion. You need to learn to grow something, man. Even if it's just a courgette. You get what I mean? Potatoes are simple enough. You put them in a bag and they will grow. You know, corns, you put them in the ground, they don't take long. I'm just trying to explain. I'm not saying to you that it's easy growing, but it's not hard. You see what I mean? To say you have to dig a ditch, 7 days a week, you get me? And you call that work. That's hard. You see what I mean? So gardening is as hard or as easy as you make it. Right? I choose the no dig method. Some people like to dig. That's okay. That's okay. But you don't need to dig to get exercise in your garden. I think that's a myth. Because even with the no dig, you got so much stuff to do, you will sweat. Yes, you will sweat. If you have to turn your compost, that's gonna make you sweat. If you're in a certain position like yoga style, trying to pull out weeds out of your garden, you're gonna sweat eventually. So I don't think it's true when they say that no dig is not really hard work. Or maybe if I said that once, I didn't mean it in that way. I meant the actual gardening. Putting a seed in the ground and allowing it to grow. Seriously, how hard is that? All right, so I'm not like trying to put anybody down, but I'm just trying to be truthful and factful and straight to the point. You understand what I mean? Right, enough gardeners, they ain't really doing it for the gardening, from what I see on YouTube anyway. You get me? If they're not selling something, I don't think they'll be doing it. You see what I mean? But I don't think that's the idea of gardening. The whole idea of gardening is to show each other how we do things, and show the result of what we're doing. And like I've always said, man, if you got a question, just put it in the comment. I mean, I'll be able to answer you better that way than me just trying to guess what you might want to hear. On that note, guys, live well. Together we grow.